What's up, party people? Android Stud here. Now I went over to the local Best Buy to check out the latest and greatest from Samsung, the S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. Not interested in the Ultra, a lot of money for a lot of phone, but I will tell you, I did check out that 120 Hertz on this. Now it only works on the 1080p. They should be sending an update for that very soon, I'm hoping, from Samsung. Now these displays are phenomenal, the best in the game. I'm telling you, they are breathtaking. Now, I actually shot the video on 4K 60 on the S20, so I'm hoping you're enjoying it. Now, I shot some pictures with all three phones on the front-facing camera and also on the rear cameras. Did some of that 100 times zoom. Kind of the results are there. So check it out, and thanks so much for watching.